Namaste, welcome to my channel chandassugardening and more. This is me Chandana. So today we are going to make a small harvest video, and that is Malabar spinach. As you can see, it has grown very well. So now let's harvest. So it will grow very faster, and let's cut it. They are very healthy, and let's harvest them. As you can see, these leaves are very small and the same taste like spinach that we are having. So not like palak, but it is another spinach which will grow like a climber. So that spinach I am saying about that spinach, and you can see how small it is. And let's start harvesting this one. You can see these are the buds. So from this we'll get a like this blooming flower, and from this we'll get seeds. So with that seeds again new plant will come. This will grow easily through stems. So if you'll plant a stem wherever, it will grow everywhere. And so we are only cutting leaves for chutney. So don't cut stems, because again new leaves will start coming from the stems itself. And let's start harvesting it fast. So you can see this one, right? This is attacked by an, you can see this fly. It will start laying eggs here, and it will kill the plant itself. I am showing, see, they'll eat like this. So you can see remaining all are good. They are very greeny, and you can see the flowers are very beautiful. They are very tiny and pink in color. So it also attracts the pollinators. And this is my first harvest of Malabar spinach. I'm very happy to harvest this one. And many surprises going on. So that will be shown if you will subscribe my channel. Soon we are going to harvest vegetables also. Like think and tell me in the comment section. So I told I'll show the grasshopper. You can see, right? This is what eating the leaves. This is the grasshopper which is eating the leaves. We have to kill these grasshoppers, or not they will eat your leaves like this. As you can see, right? See the grasshopper? You can see, right? So now we have to kill this. So my harvesting is done, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. In case you know what to do, hit likes, do share, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. And let's try some cinematic shots in 3, 2, 1, go.